Good morning, first grade. I hope you are having a great day so far. Today is Tuesday, October 20th, 2020. You have physical education or gym today as your special. It is also the 34th day of school, so we have 25, 30, and then 31, 32, 33, 34. Do you remember how to say 34 the 10 way? Yeah, if you were thinking 3, 10, 4, you would be correct. All right, before we go over the riddle and the schedule for today, if you would like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance, I will show the flag there and go ahead and start. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, our riddle for the day that I will remember to tell you at 10 at our 10 a.m. class today is, what has hands but cannot clap? What has hands but cannot clap? All right, so excuse me, the schedule for today, coming out first thing this morning, will be an application problem for math for lesson 26. You will also see another learning video for Wit and Wisdom, in which you will watch a short learning video talking about the word mobile, and then you will complete the next Frayer model in your workbook. The page and everything will be talked about in the learning video, so you'll see that. And then also this morning, you will record your fluency passage. So this is the one in your blue Wit and Wisdom workbook. It's handout 13A, or fluency homework 13A, the poem about the museum ABC. So you can go ahead and record yourself reading that and send it along. Those are the three things you'll see first thing at 9. And then we will meet at 10 for our live class. We will do word building. These are the letters that you'll need for today. I will type them, of course, in the agenda as well. But it is ACFIKLOPST. So if you could please bring those and a blank dictation paper to our 10 a.m. class, that would be great. And then we will meet again at 1 for our math. And if you could just bring your workbooks and dry erase board, sleeve, and marker, that would be great. All right, so that is the plan for today. If you have any questions or if you need anything, please let me know. If you haven't sent in your mid-module math assessment that we took on Thursday and Friday of last week, if you could please, just a friendly reminder to please take a picture of that and send it in, that would be great. All right, let me know if you need anything, and I'll see everybody soon. Thanks so much.